Yeah, you want to toss it out here and I'll get the radio. A good flight with it the other day, 2 good flights. And that was with all that wind, and it worked so good. Of course, I brought my, instead of my sandals today, I brought the gym shoes this time. It ain't too bad out here at all today.
In my opinion, this is perfect.
Make sure I do. You ready? Here.
Ready when you are.
Alright, here we go.
He's flying good.
That's
Look at that. Look.
yeah, it's with about 3/4 throttle there. Let's see.
Not too shabby for a big old plane. Man, I know it's not the heaviest thing you could build, but
Going to high rates. High rates ain't too bad. But it does pretty good vertical.
yeah.
It's probably what I want right there. You know what I mean? More power than that would be like, okay, that might be whipping out of here out of my hand too fast just for normal flying. But it's
You know what you need on there now?
what's that?
A bomb drop.
Yeah.
Replace that little
Build that into that little thing I got there.
yeah.
It would be good.
I was telling them.
I tell you what I believe I'll do. I believe the next battery I put on, I'm gonna move it back just a little bit more too. Because it's not at all tail heavy, and if you look at the ailerons, they're lifted up a little bit in default, and right there's hands off, and it's still wanting to go down. That's with 3/4 throttle. So I believe I'll take and scoot the battery back like a whole inch. You see my prop, how it's still turning? So when it's not turning much.
Yeah, it's just the airflow.
But that's an idea of even with the brake on, it doesn't fully stop it if you're moving.
Yeah. Yeah, the only way you're gonna get that is if you have a reversible ESC, to where it can actually put back pressure on it, because it can't. All it can do is kind of hold it there.
But I like it. I mean, I like the performance of it. It's not too much for me. I mean, that's climbing good.
Yeah.
When you have them climb like that. And this is where you ain't supposed to get your plane, back over your head. Oh man, this is... These have a wide envelope of flying too. It's just like you want to crawl along. They don't stall. They just fly good. That's hands off right there. Still.
Awesome.
Another click up.
cuts the wind pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's with a 11/8 prop there. Now I've got it throttled back to about halfway now. And there's that handoff there. That's pretty good. Still got a little bit like it needs one. I think I'm at the max on that side. That's not too bad for... Let's go up with it. Let's see. Hey, that's pretty good. It did vertical pretty good, didn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, for...
You know what this thing reminds me of?
What's that?
Have you seen the Google drone project?
Yeah.
It's about the same size.
Yeah.
Or what it looks like anyway.
Oh, it's doing pretty good now. Half prop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who would have thought? Take a rubber band and pull that motor back there.
Oh yeah.
That's one good thing. I mean, it's like it's not perfect, but who cares?
Well, it don't have to be perfect to fly. And fly well.
Watch here. That's doing pretty darn good now. Back to half throttle. I think it just caught current. God, I reckon.
A little bit of a nut draft there, didn't you?
Did you see it? I mean, I'm not doing it.
Yeah,
It just shot up there, just climbing. Well, and throttle up. Oh, hell yeah. That's good there. Throttle down. Let's see what the glide slope is. There's power off. I do have to hold back a little bit. But not bad.
Hey, you could always put your mix in to fix that.
To
You know, mix your Elevon mix.
Yeah.
Your throttle. So depending on where your throttle is, depends on where your.
Oh, that flies good with that prop there. It's 11 bait, and It's just like it just is the setting for it. That's half throttle there. It's like, God almighty, it's doing good.
See, it only does it when you come into the wind.
That's really good there though, when that's doing that right there. That's good. More importantly is, so far, knock on wood, the radio.
Now
Not
we can
losing
mount
it.
you a camera on there and do some FPV.
I'll tell you what I believe I'll do. I don't know how much I got in that battery. We flew it the first time, and I don't know how long I've been flying it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and bring it back into us. It doesn't sound too bad either, you know what I mean, as far as noise. Time to land. But then again,
is that one of the flight test ones, or did you make that one?
No, that's a flight test one. All right, we're going to throttle down.
Just reach out there and catch it.
That's as close as it gets.
Yeah, you got better. Yeah, you're not getting any better on that one.